Hi, my name is Chris Horton, and today we're at the Fort Walton Beach MarineMax, and I'm standing on a 2020 Boston Whaler 27 Dauntless with fly-by-wire shifting. This is a great inshore or offshore boat. It's powered by the new Mercury 225s. Good fishability, but if you just having your friends go with you, you've got this flip-up back seat. And then when you want to fish, you got the non-skid surface. Your bait well. Moving forward, a lot of people like this too. It's a flip-up bow backrest. A rather large coffin box with plenty of rod storage. And even if you're a diver, I've seen people put their tank holders in here. If you have any more questions, please contact me on my cell at 850-974-6032.